In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product in your Odoo website. We'll walk through this step by step inside Odoo, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a new product record so it shows up correctly in your system and can later be published on your website or used in your inventory. First, from your main Odoo dashboard, look for the Inventory app and click on it. The Inventory module is where Odoo manages all of your products, quantities, and stock movements. Even if your main goal is to sell products on your website, they still need to exist here first so Odoo can track them properly. Once you're inside the Inventory app, go to the top menu and click on Reporting. This section gives you access to different types of inventory reports, including what you currently have on hand. It's also a convenient place to create new product entries that will tie directly into your stock levels. From the Reporting menu, choose Stock. The stock report shows you all the products and their quantities in your different locations. This is useful not only for checking your existing items, but also when you want to add a new product that needs to be tracked in inventory. At the top left of the stock page, click on the New button. This will open a blank form where you can define the details of your new product. Think of this as the central profile for that item in your Odoo database. Everything you put here will be used by other apps like Sales, Website, and Purchase. Now, it's time to type in your product details. Start with a clear product name, something that your team and your customers will easily recognize. If you have an internal reference or SKU, enter that as well to help with searching and reporting. You can also choose the product type, for example, a storable product if you keep stock, or a service if it's something you don't physically manage in inventory. Fill in any relevant fields such as the product category, sales price, and cost. These values will affect how the product appears in quotes, sales orders, and reports. If your Odoo setup includes multiple warehouses or locations, make sure the product is configured for the correct ones so stock is tracked accurately. When you're done entering the details, review everything briefly to make sure it looks right. After saving, your product is now created in Odoo and ready to be used in your processes and later published on your website through the website or e-commerce app.